how to publish an app on Play Store using Lovable AI. So if you've been developing your latest app and are ready to share it with the world, then stick around because we'll go through the process to ensure that your app reaches users smoothly. First, let's start by heading over to the Lovable AI platform. If you haven't already logged in, make sure to do so. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can see an overview of your projects. From there, you need to copy your project's domain link. This is an essential step because this domain will serve as the basis for your app's conversion and eventual publication. By copying this link, you prepare yourself for the next crucial step in the process. Next, we'll move to media.co, a popular platform used to convert your web-based applications into native apps. Make sure that you've entered median.co. Now you need to simply paste your copied domain link here and follow the prompts to convert your web app into a native app format. The platform provides user-friendly instructions guiding you through until your app is ready to be packaged into an APK file. It's important to ensure your app meets all necessary criteria for native apps to avoid issues during publication. Now, before we can get the app onto the Play Store, you'll need a Google Play developer account. If you haven't already got one, then creating this account requires some basic information about you or your business, whichever is acting as its developer. It's also essential to familiarize yourself with Google's policies regarding app submissions, ensuring compliance all the way through this process. Once your developer account is active, it's time to upload your APK file, the Google Play console. It's an exciting part where your project starts taking shape in the form of an actual downloadable app. Engage with the Play console as you fill out the required details about your app, its description, screenshots, and any categorical tags that might help users discover it easily. At this stage, remember, there's a one-time fee associated with maintaining your developer account, so ensure that payment is processed for your app to move forward. This fee helps maintain your account and is an investment towards your access and reach on a global platform. With everything in place, it's finally time to hit the publish button. Clicking the publish means you're introducing your creation to millions of Android users. Google will then review your app to confirm it compliance with all guidelines before it becomes available for download. The review process can take a few days, so it's crucial to be patient and keep an eye on any feedback Google might provide. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.